Hi beauties, welcome again to my channel. Today I'm using pearls to create this look. Excuse me if my hair is a mess, but the weather is unbearable. Like, the weather is so horrible, it's so hot that I am not willing to use a curling iron or flat iron or any heat type near my face. So yeah, my hair is a mess. Sorry about that, but it's not me, it's the weather. Anyways, keep watching if you want to see how did I achieve this, and let me know in the comments, and share and like, and follow me on Instagram as well. See ya. Okay, so we're gonna start prepping our eyelid. I'm using concealer. This one is from NYX, and it's called Born to Glow. This is a number, I'm sorry, it's not number, pale. It's a pale one. Okay, so it's really light, and that's what I like about that, because it kind of preps my eyelid with a really light background to my shadow work. So I'm just gonna pop a little bit on here, and just with a teeny tiny beauty blender, just blend everything. Use my Truly Madly Deeply palette from ColourPop. Isn't this so cute? Look, I am in love with this one. So I'm gonna use pinkish, kind of pinkish eyeshadows. I'm gonna start with this one, Lay Low. And just with a little brush, put everything on my lid. More than blending, I'm just packing the color and tapping it in on my lid. Then I am going to be using Matter of Fact, just a light one. And I'm just going to apply on top of the one that I just applied. Then I'm gonna extend that same color outwards. I'm not using any more, just extending the color that I already have, and just making sure that I have color all over my lid. And it has to be soft. It doesn't have to be like super pink, although if you want that, that's fine. Just because I'm using white pearls, I want them to stand from the eye look. Okay, I'm gonna take another brush. It's the same fluffy brush, but it's a bigger one. And I'm gonna take this one that says cut out, and I'm gonna apply it on the crease. And this time I am blending everything, so just applying that one, creating a really nice deep and warm color, and just extending that color again outwards. And I'm gonna try to create a little flick here. So what I'm gonna do, so I'm gonna take an index card. This is just an index card. You can grab any piece of paper or like any card or whatever works for you. I'm just using so I can blend this. I'm gonna grab again a little bit more of the cut out, and I'm gonna mix it with the golden bridge just to add a little bit of neutral there. And I'm just gonna extend that to create that flick, so it's easier for you instead of using a tape, or instead of putting some powder. If you really want a straight line, you can do this. And anything that's like paper or like a card or something works for me. I have like a lot of these index cards that I'm using at school right now, and just grab one. And I'm gonna go above my brow just a little bit, It has to be just like a touch of color. And that's basically it. For the color, I'm gonna use the pearls and then do the lower lash and the glitter. So we're gonna do the fun part. The fun and cute part of this look are the pearls. These ones, I got them from Amazon. I know I got a lot of things from Amazon, but it's like easier to find and they just deliver to your house, so you don't even have to go out to get them. So that's why I get them from Amazon, but I'm gonna put the link as well. But you can find them on Michael's or any craft store. I promise they're not hard to find. So they already have like a sticky thing, but instead I'm gonna apply a little bit of my lash glue just to make sure that they are secure. And I'm gonna apply the smaller size right here, and then just like a bigger ones here, and then again smaller size, and simulating like a cat eyeliner, but instead of the eyeliner I'm using the pearls. Okay guys, so as always you're gonna watch me struggle with this little thingies, especially now that I just got my nails and I'm getting used to them. So maybe you're gonna watch me. There you go. Yeah, it was not. Okay, so I'm just gonna take this. I don't wanna drop it. And just like the way I did the butterflies, a little dot and then the pearl. And I'm gonna follow that line. I'm gonna use the small ones and then the bigger ones right in the middle. Now I'm gonna use the medium size ones, and I'm just gonna use one. Okay, so I'm gonna I did two small ones. I'm gonna use one on the middle, medium size, medium size, just one, and then I'm gonna move on to the bigger ones, just like 3 to 4 more. Okay, now I'm gonna do the bigger ones. I'm gonna do like around 3 or 4. Okay, so instead of doing 3 big ones, I did 2 and then medium-sized one, and I'm gonna finish with 2 little ones. So surprisingly, the little ones are easier to apply than the bigger ones. And I'm following the same path from my eyeshadow, so to create the illusion of like a flick. So I'm just gonna put the last one here. Okay, so here are the pearls. Add or mixed this one, cutouts, and the golden bridge one, and apply it just on my inner corner, on my lower lash. You know what I mean. And also do like funny faces while I'm doing it. With a Q-tip, I am gonna take this pink glitter Invil, it's the name, and just going to add a little bit of glitter on my inner corner. And with this one blossom as well, I'm just gonna add a little bit of color. So now I am going to do my lashes and apply facial lashes. I'm going to apply the natural ones that I have from Ardell, just because I don't want to cover my pearls, and also I'm not gonna be doing anything to my brows because finally I had microblading and I loved it, but I just did it and my brows are in the healing time right now, so I'm not gonna touch them or anything, just because it's recommended to not use any kind of makeup or anything on them while they're healing. Yeah, I'm gonna touch my brows. I'm just gonna do my lashes and this eye, and then I'll be back with you. Okay, this is the final result. Isn't this cute? I love it. It's kind of subtle but also bold at the same time. Just loving the pearls, really. And yeah, I really recommend you to use natural eyelashes, or even just don't even use fake lashes, just curl yours, because the more dense the eyelashes are gonna cover the pearls. So what's the point? These ones work really well, I think. Tip: I tried to put them on after the look and it was more difficult, so maybe it's better if you apply them first and then do the pearl thing. I think that's better. So that's a lesson that I just learned for you. I am gonna finish my look with a gloss. This one is Spicy Mauve. It's kind of natural and glossy and combines perfectly with the eyelash. This is the end result. What do you guys think? Do you like it? Don't? Do you feel that it actually reminds you of Maddie from Euphoria? I think she used something like this. I'm just in love with her makeup. Like, really obsessed with Maddie's makeup, with everyone's makeup in that TV show, but Maddie's makeup is my obsession, as you can see. So this is the final result. Let me know if you like it, or if you don't, or what else do you want me to do. Have a wonderful rest of your day, weekend, or whatever time you're at. Just hope you're happy, and thank you for everything. Appreciate every one of you. Have a great day. Bye.